Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how do you close a ready-made sheet. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, in the previous video, we created this custom 800 by 600 sheet. Now we're going to be looking at how can you close it in case you did something wrong, or you put in the wrong measurements, or you have another sheet you rather want to use. So then it's rather simple. What we want to do is we want to go to our main menu on top. Just going to zoom in here for you guys so you can see better. Then we want to click on the file, and then we want to navigate down till we find close. So it won't be close CAD, we're in your actual CAD file, so it's just called close. And then once we click this, it will remove the sheet. Now keep in mind, it is not closed application. That will obviously exit your entire application. So just a quick recap again. So if you've made a sheet and you want to remove it, just go to File, and from the drop down menu, we're going to want to go to Close. And then that will close your actual sheet you've created. But yeah, that is it on closing a sheet. In the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the me form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.